Hi, I'm Jeff Smith, 58 years old. I like to be outdoors, I like to work out. All of a sudden started to feel some problems. Now, of course, I had a little bit of discomfort before that, but just thought it was probably my age. I conducted some serious health issues and pain, and I thought, well, I'm just going to lay off and not work out for a while and let it heal, and then I can come back, and it never did get any better. So I mentioned that to a physical therapist friend of mine, and he said, come on in, let's take a peek and we'll get you back up and going again. And I said, what would you suggest? He says, well, you could go where you want, but he said, I would recommend Orthopedic Institute. And so I did, got an appointment, and I came in and got my x-rays and pretty much got floored when I was told that both of my hips were basically shelled, and there was no cartilage left in either one of the hips. He explained the fact that resurfacing is an option, but that was the technology 10, 12, 15 years ago. Today we've got the newest technology, and I'm able to do it, and I've studied in Mayo, and I'm certified to do resurfacing, but I can tell you that we've got a better solution for you. And it didn't take long that both my wife and I looked at each other and saying, this makes perfect sense, that we do need to do the latest and greatest. So I came that Monday, and we were able to do, I was the second one in the day, and was able to get it completed. And I couldn't be more pleased with the care that I did get. All the nurses, even all the way down to the nurse assistants, to the physical therapists, to everyone else that helped me that first day just to kind of get me jump started. And it was very well appreciated, and I couldn't ask for a better team that helped me out. It was kind of a surprise of how quickly you do bounce back and recuperate. And to be quite honest with you, I had less pain right after the surgery than I did have going in, which is a very pleasant surprise. My dog is 6 years old and is in the middle of his prime for hunting, and I was extremely concerned that I was going to have to give up a year of hunting with my dog as a result, but was happy that the Game Fish and Parks put January in as an extra month. So I thought, well, maybe at least I'll be able to go out and hunt a little bit the last month of the year. And as it turns out, within 3 weeks, I was extremely careful, but I did take my dog in the field, and I had to admit that to Dr. Adler.